Hey everybody, welcome to another Workshop Wednesday. I'm Bill Macbeth, and tonight we're going to talk about why I didn't post a video last week. We're going to talk about what I've been working on in the shop and what I've been doing to help grow my business and putting myself out there. So let's start this off. What have I been working on? Or wait, why didn't I post last week? Because I'm working on some projects that I've got to get done. I was way behind. I was in a crabby mood last week, so I just decided that I just wanted to listen to some music and work on this project, get it caught back up so that I'm back on track and I could get it delivered to my customer. So let's walk on over and check out the bar build. All right, so I got the carcass pretty much all constructed. It's all 3/4 inch A1 ply, stain grade. So it's coming along. I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but this is the way I do it. A lot of people I see, they go ahead and cut out their toe kick, but I'm gonna go ahead and try something new. And I'm just gonna use a flush trim bit and I'm gonna flush route it and clean it out because I'm putting another piece of red oak right here to cover up the plywood so that it all matches the cabinetry. Got this all laid out, trying to decide which grain pattern I'm gonna go with. This is gonna be the countertop. This is all 8/4 inch walnut. Looks like I got a couple pieces of black walnut in there I might mix in, and then some lighter walnut right here. So I gotta get that milled up this week and all glued up and ready, and it's gonna have a sink right in the middle. And then when I do the cabinet doors, the middle ones, so we're not wasting it because this is a bar, we're gonna have a trash can that's attached to the door that swings out. And then this will all be adjustable shelving to house liquor bottles, beer, whatever. They already have a fridge, so we're not putting a fridge in it. All right, also finished up, well, almost finished up, the clamp storage. This thing has been awesome. I still need to take it off the temporary casters. But I tell you what, it's been nice to be able to roll this around. I'm definitely not going to put my shop vac and cyclone on it. It's just too cumbersome, so I'm gonna build something a little smaller for that. But this has been great, and it's been helping out on the cleanup. Another reason that I didn't post last week, if you look around, there's been some major changes if you watched any of my videos. Look, I can walk around the shop unhindered, no tripping hazards, no wood everywhere, the sawdust is cleaned up, and I'm trying something new. It's called, I vacuum every night when I'm done. I know, don't kick me out of the Woodworkers Club, okay guys? I've got to do it because it drives me nuts. So that's what I've been working on. Let's talk about my new tool. So a few weeks ago, for a job, I went ahead and bought my first Ryobi nailer. This is the 18 gauge nailer. It's heavier than a regular compressor one, but it's not too bad. And it seems that the battery, just the standard 18 volt lithium battery, works pretty well on it. I haven't had too many dry fires. I get a couple every now and then. The battery seems to hold up pretty good, so I don't think I need to go get the extended one to make it even more heavy. It's a little hard to carry on the pants. It's got that hook. I decided to take it off. I'm never really in a position where I have to carry it on my belt. So I just set it on the bench when I'm not working with it. But I really dig it. It works really well, and it's a lot nicer than having to pull out the compressor, get it all charged up, hook up the cords, and get the guns out and make sure they're oiled and good to go. So new segment here, I've been doing stuff to try to grow my business. I've been stepping outside of my wheelhouse. I've been doing the Instagram thing for quite a while. I've been listening to some podcasts. So I started to reach out to local designers and start those conversations, especially if they put in their profile, DM me for collaboration. I've been reaching out to them saying, hey, you know what? I'm trying to grow my business. I'd love to work with you. If you ever have a project come up that you need something built for, I would love to sit down and collaborate with you. And I've gotten a pretty good response. A couple other places that have had local shops where they sell home decor or they do mostly interior design. I've actually stopped by those shops, I did a tour, introduced myself, gave them my card. Also, while I was at breakfast or lunch one day eating breakfast, because I can eat breakfast every day, all meals. It's the best. I noticed that their benches on the front weren't treated. They had some supports that weren't treated lumber. They're falling apart. So I gave them a card and said, hey, I'd love to build you guys some new benches for outside of your restaurant. So maybe they're going to call, maybe they're not, but hey, I'm at least getting my name out there. So a couple inspirations, actually just one inspiration this past week. I started watching a bunch of videos by Casey Neistat. Man, that guy is just full of energy. It's crazy. It's like watching Gary Vee, but 10 times more energetic. And he's a YouTuber. He's been around. I've never even heard of this guy until I just stumbled across his videos. But his energy's awesome. His videos are great. Makes me kind of want to go get a skateboard out and try that again. I won't video that. That would go viral. So I won't do that unless I'm, still got it. But that's pretty much it, guys. So this is another Workshop Wednesday. If you're digging what you're watching, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified when I drop new content. I am going to have new build videos coming out. I've just gotten way behind with life and projects, and I've been trying to do this weekly, so I just got to get my cadence down on the schedule. If you want to help support me, go out to my website, check it out. You can buy wood artisan merchandise. Still got some new stuff coming. Working on some new products with my wife, like an apron, woodworker's apron, so watch that coming soon. I've got it all drawn out. It's going to have a USB port. It's going to have the ability to have a battery pack so you can charge your phone while you're working. It's going to be pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for next week's Workshop Wednesday, and hopefully I'll be dropping a coffee table build video this week. Thanks.